If you want your clothes smelling clean and fresh for months, stay tuned for this super simple, inexpensive DIY. To create a super simple drawer sachet, all you're going to need is your favorite unstoppable scent and some mesh bags. You can always substitute coffee filters if you do not have any mesh bags. You can also pick these up at the Dollar Tree and other places like that. And I like to use a spoon so that I can spoon in my unstoppables. I normally put about 4 to 5 tablespoons of the Unstoppable in each bag. Honestly, I use the Gain Scented and it lasts for a year, so I do not need a very big amount, but it's kind of up to you what you want to use. An alternative to the Unstoppables could be to use some of your favorite essential oils. I've seen that you can use rice with your essential oils. I'm not sure about putting rice in a drawer, but you could maybe use some type of cotton or something with your essential oil and put it in a bag and then simply pop it down in your drawer. Also, if you have any type of lavender, you could dry your lavender. You could put your lavender in a bag as well and pop it in your drawer, and you can keep your clothes smelling clean and fresh that way as well. As I am creating my sachet bags, I just want to remind you guys that my friend Courtney and I are each doing a giveaway for a $20 Target gift card. We're going to be announcing the winners next Friday, so please enter to win. One thing I love about creating these is that you have 100% control over what kind of smell you would like, how strong you want it, and you also can decorate these as you want to. You can, and one of them I put some ribbon on it, but ribbon's honestly just not my style because they go in my drawer, so I really don't care what they look like. But you could make them fancy, you could put words on them, whatever you want to do. It's totally up to you. So I do like that part of it. Also, if you are new to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click on the bell so that you can receive a notification each time I post a video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter at Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. And thank you guys so much for your love and your support. And I hope that you guys make these sachets and enjoy them as much as I do. If If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so that I will know to create more like this. And comments are always welcome and appreciated. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.